when the disciples asked Jesus, who is the greatest in the kingdom of heaven, probably they thought Jesus will say, you are my disciples, I have chosen you, therefore you are the greatest in heaven. Jesus calls a child, and probably disciples must have got disappointed. He calls a child, places the child in midst of them and says, unless you become like little children, you will not enter the kingdom of heaven. Let us carefully listen to the words of Jesus. Unless you become like little children, you will not enter the kingdom of heaven. Why did Jesus give such importance to a child? Can we become small children now? No. We are adults. Most of us are adults here. So what is the meaning of Jesus saying, the child, look at a child, especially 4 and below the age of 4. They are innocent. They are sinless. They cannot sin. They have a total trust in their parents or the people who take care of them. They don't doubt. They are fearless. They have no fear. They are ready to go here, there, anywhere. They don't know there is a danger. And they are no bias, no color bias, no gender bias, nothing. Therefore, you see little kids, when they come, how they play, they enjoy. They don't discriminate. Oh, you are an outsider. Your color is different. Your religion is different. I am a boy, you are a girl. No. For child, the child matters. Therefore, they really enjoy their life to the fullest. The child doesn't think negative. The child is always cheerful unless it is sick. Otherwise, child is cheerful, enjoys. Okay, sometimes when they fall, they cry, but then they laugh, no? They giggle and all. And Jesus wants us to have the good qualities of a child, the total trust in Him. That we should not discriminate people based on their place of birth, their skin color, their age, their gender, their language, their culture, their social status. Therefore, Jesus gives us the model, the child. And then He tells the parable, which you are very familiar with. A shepherd had 100 sheep, one went astray, he left 99 and went for searching for that one, and when he found that, he was glad. He comes back and tells everyone, rejoice with me because I have found my lost sheep. You must understand the context of Jesus' time. At Jesus' time, there were shepherds. Sometimes the sheep belonged to the owner and they were the hired workers. Sometimes they were the owners. And the shepherds never went for grazing alone. There were other shepherds with their flocks, and all of them are there in the open place. So this shepherd who had 100 sheep lost one. Now he left 99. Who took care of that 99? The other shepherds. They were there. Therefore he could leave them. Otherwise wolves will come, dogs will come and attack his sheep. So he had the trust with the other shepherds, they will take care of my sheep. Therefore, he goes after that one sheep. Why did he go? Because that sheep belongs to him. He loves it. He cares for it. And after searching, taking a lot of trouble, he comes back with cheerfulness and with joy. And invites his neighbors and all, tells them, rejoice with me. Jesus told this parable to make a point. The point is that God loves each one of us. Each one of us. He doesn't love us like a herd. No. Each person matters him. If Jesus has to tell this parable in this year 2025, I think he will tell slightly differently. He will say, a shepherd had 100 sheep, 99 lost, and one remained with him. So he left that one and went for searching 99. We are those 99. We are scattered, we are lost. All our traditional values, which we learnt during our childhood, most of us have given up. We have become worldly people. We remember God only when we are in trouble, serious sickness, accidents. Then we come running to God and plead with Him. Other time, God is forgotten. But God never abandons us. He cares for us. And that is the meaning of this parable. Because God is loving, caring, forgiving, shall we do what we want to do? Then we are stupid people. If my parents are very loving, caring, how can I insult them? How can I hurt them? Can I think of that? If this is true, how can we think of hurting God? How can we dare to disobey His commandments? When we observe the 10 commandments, we really love God and God loves us. Therefore, let us ask this grace that we remain faithful to Him, not just for 1 day, 2 days, a week, a month, but every day of our life.